So, you probably clicked on this video because you have about $5,000, maybe less, maybe more, and you're wondering how you can invest that to become rich or wealthy, as I like to put it. Now, in this video, I'm going to be going over a couple steps on how exactly you can invest $5,000. Now, obviously, this isn't investment advice. This is just based off of my experiences and things I've done to become a successful investor and just the path that I've taken. Now, I know a lot of people are on different parts of their journey. For example, for someone watching, $5,000 may be, something that you don't even have to invest. For some people, $5,000 may be literally nothing. It may be pennies for you guys. So again, I want everyone to understand in this video, I'm going to be coming from a perspective where you have little to nothing other than $5,000. So you're only starting off and you have $5,000, okay? Now, another thing I do want to say is whether you are someone who is wealthy or someone who is just starting off or someone who doesn't even have, let's just say $1,000, this video will still help you out because either way, this is something that is more like a formula on how you, I guess, become a better investor and make more money. So let's get right into this, guys. So first off, I want to start off by saying thank you to everyone who's been supporting my channel. I also want to say if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe because I do post almost daily crypto and stock market content. Now that the summer is over and I'm, I guess, back into grind mode, you guys are going to be seeing me pump out more videos. Back in the day, like in January, February, March, I was posting multiple videos a day. Some days I'd even post 8 videos a day. So yeah, I'm back on the grind, guys. So let's get back into it. So I want to start off by saying, guys, this was actually a question that was asked in my Discord chat. So I actually do have a free Discord chat, and I can actually show you guys right here. Someone actually asked, hey, Radies, you got 5,000 right now. What are you doing with it? Not asking for financial advice, just curious. And I literally said, invest in yourself. And then I thought about it. I'm like, hey, you know what? I'm going to make a video on this. So yeah, that is that. So that's how we're here today. So make sure you guys join my free Discord as well. Now, another thing I do want to say is, there we go. When I say invest in yourself, guys, there is a lot that comes to that, right? So that can mean literally going and watching YouTube videos and just learning. A lot of people need to understand that you need to get your mind right to get your bag right? Right? Rightception. But yeah, another thing is like, investing in yourself means reading books, for example, or watching YouTube videos, or even investing in courses. Now, I'm not affiliated in any way, but I do want to give a quick shout out to Meet Kevin over here. Excuse me, because he does have a he does have a course over here. I am actually enrolled in this course, and this is a course that I actually do recommend. Another thing I do want to say is, guys, I could probably go on for hours about this topic on how to become a better investor. And if you guys do want to get an even more detailed answer, you guys can actually sign up for my stocks and crypto buy sell alerts, which does actually come with about an hour's worth of video content on how you can invest your money and become rich or wealthy and become a better investor. Okay, so when it comes to investing yourself, guys, that's what I strongly recommend. Now, when it comes to investing, a lot of people are going to try to get into stocks and crypto. Now, I recommend having a healthy balance between the two. Now, my portfolio is mainly in crypto, and I do have a decent amount in stocks. So I'd say 6 figures in crypto, 5 figures in stocks. I am looking to make my stock market portfolio in the 6 figures by the end of this year, and my crypto portfolio is going to hit multiple 6 figures by the end of this year, if it's not already at that. I just haven't run the numbers, but again, I recommend having a healthy balance. Okay, now when it comes to crypto, guys, you guys know I mainly post crypto content, and we all know, there's a lot of coins that are out there, but when it comes to starting off with just $5,000, I recommend just going something in the top 10. Okay, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, BNB, XRP. If I actually take a look at CoinMarketCap over here, we can see the main top 10. So I recommend just picking something simple and just hanging on to that. Now, when it comes to stocks as well, we know there's so many stocks. If I can actually look at my watch list, I'm not signed in, but what I recommend is research some stocks that you're into and find some stocks that you actually believe in, right? It's easy to follow the crowd. So for example, people, if they follow my buy sell alerts, if you guys are in that group, you guys know that you can follow my trades and you guys will make money, but ideally, everyone should be able to pick some winners themselves as well. Obviously, like I said, it's cool to follow other people and to just make money that way, but learning how to pick winning investments is a skill, and that is a high income skill and something that will really help you out in the long run, especially if you're just working with $5,000. Another thing is, do not be afraid to lose your money, okay? So I remember when I was first investing back in 2018 or 17. Actually, no, 2018. Man, it's been a while. My first investment was actually in, well, other than in myself, was in Tesla stock, okay? And Tesla stock at the time, there was so much FUD, there was so much just rah-rah around it, and a lot of people were like, no, don't do it, sell, da-da-da-da, Tesla's gonna go bankrupt, and regardless, although my investment was in a loss, I learned so much from that. And again, losing money in the stock market or the crypto market or just in any investment is never necessarily a bad thing, because there are so many lessons to learn from that. For example, if you guys actually are long-term supporters of my channel, you guys know I did publish a video where me and my good friend, we actually lost $3.4 thousand in one day trading Forex. Now again, that was a huge eye-opening moment because we learned a lot from that lesson. Another more so I guess more so recent event is overnight, me and my buddy Umar Khan, we collectively lost around $60,000 overnight. And again, that's crazy, but there's just so much lessons that we took away from that. Now again, as you make more money and you invest more money, you're going to have days where you even lose more money. But again, it's how you handle those losses that really matter. Now, guys, I do want to say, when it comes to investing your first $5,000, it's not so much about what you invest in, but it's the mindset you have behind it. And I feel like that's something that a lot of people don't talk about. And on this channel as well, I'm not really making videos on mindset because if I'm being honest, a lot of people don't really care about that, but that's really what matters, you know? I would love to clickbait videos and just make all these 100x videos and token reviews, but these videos are the videos that have the most value in them, but unfortunately they get the least amount of views, likes, comments, and subscribers, okay? And obviously this is a job and I have to treat it as such. Another thing I do want to say, guys, is when you are investing your first $5,000, you want to make sure you spread them out evenly, right? You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, but again, you don't want to have way too many investments, because especially when you're playing around with just $5,000, you want to make sure that you have, control over what you're investing in. So I'd say, again, not financial advice, but I'd say, maybe put 1,000 into investing in yourself. So whether that's courses, books, anything like that. And then I'd say maybe put 2,000 into stocks and 2,000 into crypto. Obviously, you can, skew these around in any other way. So if you want to put 2.5K into stocks and 1.5K into crypto, obviously you can do that. There is no, this is the right way to go. Because again, there is no right or wrong way to do it, but there are certain directions and certain strategies that will help you become a better investor. Now, like I said, guys, if you guys do want to know more about how I invest my money and exactly what I invest into, you guys can sign up for my buy sell alert. It's literally just $9 a month, cheaper than Chick-fil-A. That's my saying, but you guys will have a bunch of access to a bunch of videos on how to actually, these are very, very in detail videos, well thought out videos on how you can make money in the stock market and the crypto markets. Another thing is you will actually have access to everything that I invest in. So whether I'm investing in stocks, buying or selling, staking, NFTs, all that type of stuff, you guys will have access to that. And I think I'm also going to start doing monthly giveaways here. So monthly crypto giveaways into the private group here. So if you guys want to join, you guys can join so right there. But guys, that is it for this video. Let me know, guys, do you guys want me to make more videos of this caliber? More videos where it's more just a sit down where I talk to you guys, spit some facts. Let me know. And as always, guys, merch dropping soon. And just like my book that I wrote, which is available on Amazon, remember, until next time, stay seeking success.